So we are representing the third robot revolution. This is a definition that came out a couple of years ago, defining the robot revolutions. I mean, we had the first robot revolution with fixed robot doing one thing for 3 shifts for 5 years or more. That's what you normally see. Then we have universal robotics and some others that come up with a middle revolution, coming up with collaborative robots. But now we see a big trend going, and all of this in a trend of flexibility. We see a big trend that they contact us as they really want to have mobility. They want to have them faster to program, more self-programming. They want mostly fenceless safety for large robots at high speed, and that we can fulfill all ISO regulations. That is difficult for some solutions. And they also want to have high payload, high speed robots. And by this, they can increase the sustainability, which becomes more and more important. But now we are working with some big companies to go into the fourth robot revolution, dynamic multipurpose robots, which is more dynamically connected, dynamically sensors that adapt quickly and so on, and also ultra flexible grippers.